Welcome to Lecture 37. I had very seriously considered trying to start Simon's problem in Lecture 37, but the problem with doing that is that I don't believe that I can finish Simon's problem in one lecture of reasonable length. I believe it would take at least 2 lectures and possibly even a little bit more than that, and that would give us no time for review, especially since it seems that our last day will be spent in presentations. So I believe that it would be best for us to go ahead and start doing a little bit of review, and the purpose of this lecture is to get that started. In this lecture there are 3 problems, and let me discuss those briefly, and then that will be the end of this lecture, and your task, of course, will be to complete the problems. So the first problem says that we have the 2-qubit state plus minus, and you want to write that in terms of the Bell basis. So you will need to go back, and if you have forgotten, you'll need to review what the Bell basis is, and then you'll need to express this state in terms of the Bell basis. And here are the 4 choices. As you can see, the 4 elements of the Bell basis are phi plus, phi minus, C plus, and C minus, but you'll need to go and, if you don't remember, you'll need to go and review the exact definitions of those elements. Likewise, the second problem also is dealing with expressing a 2-qubit state in terms of the Bell basis. And then the third problem is the following. We have another 2-qubit state here, which we will call psi, and it's equal to alpha 0 times 0, 0, plus beta times 0, 1, plus gamma times 1, 0. And alpha, beta, and gamma can be complex numbers here. If the first qubit, so the question is this: if the first qubit of psi is measured with the Hadamard basis, what is the probability the result will be the plus ket? And let me read these possibilities for you to make sure you understand them. The first one is alpha alpha conjugate plus beta beta conjugate plus gamma gamma conjugate over 2. The second one is alpha plus beta in parentheses times alpha conjugate plus beta conjugate in parentheses plus gamma gamma conjugate over 2. The third one is alpha plus gamma in parentheses times alpha conjugate plus gamma conjugate in parentheses plus beta beta conjugate over 2. And finally, the last one is alpha alpha conjugate plus beta plus gamma in parentheses times beta conjugate plus gamma conjugate in parentheses divided by 2. So those are the 3 problems to get us started on reviewing the course of this material, and in the next 2 lectures we will have more review problems. And so that is it, and good luck.